Hi everyone, today I will unbox Xiaomi Mi 5. Here it is. There are three types of this phone. First one, the global one with 32 gigabytes memory, and the second one, the premium. No, prime. I'm sorry. This is the prime version with 64 gigabytes memory, and the last one is Pro with 128 gigabytes memory. Let's get started. I bought it online through the website. Oh, and this is the Mi with 5.15 inch display. This is the Chinese version, the 64 gigabyte, and it's so thick, as you see. And let's unbox the box. Here is the needle for SIM. Remove the SIM card. You see, the charger. Here, it has a fast charger. As you see in the pic, it's changed between 2.5 ampere 9 volt and 2 ampere 15 volt. As you see, it's a good travel charger, little, and this is the USB. USB Type C. As you see, it's reversible. You can plug it in either this way or this way. It has two speakers under the phone, and it's the camera lens is sapphire, and it has dual tone flash LED. In the left hand, in the left, it has the SIM card tray. It has dual SIM, nano SIM. As you see, the rear camera is 60 megapixel. The front camera is 4 megapixel, and this is the home button with fingerprint screen. And let's turn it on, and there is a notification light. I like it, and it has infrared light for switching TV or conditioner or another smart home appliance. Thanks for watching. If you liked my video, please subscribe my channel and like my video.